processed food and processed people fill the churches to the steeple. But how many, if there's any, but how many really can be saved? And who's the judge and who's the jury, giving out the fire and fury? Take your pennies, if there's any, count them from the cradle to the grave. Some are trying, some are lying, some are drowning in the flood. Some are crying, some are spying, some are washing down the blood. Hey, there's decadence and desolation, demigods and desperation. Those are sinning, always winning. How the hell is heaven found this way? Some are trying, some are lying, some are drowning in the flood. Some are crying, some are spying, some are washing down the blood. Hey, so much for the things we're preaching, so much for the things we're teaching. Oh, the voices making choices, nothing good and nothing left to say.